Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy, healthy biscuits for your 1-year-old baby. We'll start by gathering simple, wholesome ingredients that are gentle on tiny tummies. It's important to select items that provide good nutrition without any unnecessary additives. This ensures the biscuits are both delicious and beneficial for your little one's development and health. Next, let's get to mixing and shaping the dough. Gently combine your dry ingredients first, then slowly incorporate the wet ones. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough biscuits, so stop as soon as everything comes together. Once your dough is ready, roll it out to a thickness of about 1/2 inch. This ensures a soft, easy-to-chew texture perfect for little mouths. Now it's time to bake our delicious baby biscuits. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake them for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You're looking for a lovely light golden brown color. Once baked, it's crucial to let them cool completely on a wire rack. This makes them easier to handle and ensures they are safe for your baby to enjoy. Finally, let's talk about serving and storing these homemade treats. Always cut the biscuits into small, bite-sized pieces to prevent choking hazards for your little one. Any leftover biscuits can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days or frozen for longer. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals and resources, including a fantastic book about money, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.